Big day, here he comes.
Well, Bill, it's brew day.
Brew day and
It's hop day, harvesting. We're back at it.
back at it.
We've been missing for about 2 months, but we're back. It's early September, and that means
Big night.
big night. It's a harvest night. So what we're going to do is we can combine the harvest night and the brew day, and we're going to do a special house brew.
Yes, stay tuned.
Let's go for it.
There we go. So Dan, what we got going in there?
We got Marisot there, 4.4 kilograms going in.
They stir.
You can stir.
Oh, the smell, Dan.
Missed it. I'll tell you what.
Yeah, we missed it.
Well, that's happening. This is crystal,
Crystal.
medium crystal, I believe.
We're in rush tonight and we've got to pick the hops.
We've got pick hops.
It might rain on us.
1.2 kilograms. So
1.2 kilos, and we're making a 50 litre batch. No, 46 litre batch.
46 litre, yeah. That's Philip, yeah.
People.
Philip, 2 fermenters.
So we need another 4 kilos.
4 kilograms. Let's get this one in
Here
there.
he goes again.
We need to get the pump on.
Pumpy pump on.
Won't be loosey-goosey anymore. Hopping and harvesting
Look at those beauties.
look at them. And the way to tell they're good is they're green all over, and there's still a bit of waxy and thing if you squeeze it and rub them together.
Bit of bounce, bit of bounce.
Yes.
Right, let's have a look at the trees. Look at those monsters. They're going to come off the tree and go straight into the brew. You see, Dan is
Just plucking away.
he's plucking. He's all right plucker, Dan is.
I'm a plucker. I'm having plucking good fun.
It'll take a while. We've got to get how many grams?
800.
800 for the brew.
Yeah, that's going to be quite a lot of this.
There's quite a few there, Dan.
There is.
How many grams you got?
636.
And can you describe the smell?
I can smell it. The smell is lovely, but they're so soft.
So that's 750. What do we need for this
We
brew?
need 800.
800 for this brew.
Yeah. Will we get there? I think we might be very close, Phil.
Right, Dan, we're back.
We're hopping mad, lads. We're hopping mad.
Oh yes, we got a sneaky one. Oh, mash out time. We'll fill you in a minute. Been picking hops, and Dan's just remembered we've got to do a
We've got to do gravity.
gravitas. Oh, this video is going to be terrible, mate.
So what we're looking for, Phil?
70, 1070. 1070. He's taking his time.
Might have to come out of eye. It's not 1070.
Press record this time, Dan.
Good step.
Mashing out.
Yes, very important.
Don't forget.
Very important. How long for Phil?
10 minutes, 75. Boom. We dusted last time. We brewed, didn't we, Dan?
We did it with no cobwebs.
Look at that. Okay, look, Dan, we've got to get on with it.
Okay, that's it. We need to start
It's good.
using the grains.
So, okay, Dan. Stop you and all. Look at them.
Brussels sprouts.
Whoopsies. Look at those beauties. Absolutely gorgeous.
We'll put them to bed and let them boil away for an hour.
Okay, so we've got 57 minutes left on the boil. I'll show you that a little bit. 57 minutes left on the boil. Absolutely perfect. Getting ready for the next pop edition. Here we go. So, no cooling going on yet, but we're just sterilising the old system. That's the end of the boil. Right, so in they go. Look at them all, the beauties. Plucked today. Fresh. Fresh as the day they were. 2 fermenters.
1, 2.
We need more pure. We need more pure, Captain. There we go.
Do we need more oxygen, Phil? If you've given lots of oxygen beforehand, then you go to the toilet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Got some good hops. Picky, picky, picky.
What are we going to call this?
Too hoppy. Hoptastic.
Are you hoppy mad? Green grass or fall? Harry Hopper.
Harry Hopper. So old St Nick said, where's your tasting gone at the end of one of our last videos? So just for you, old St Nick, we're putting the tasting at the end. And thank you very much for watching.
This is a very young beer, because you can see it's so young, we haven't got any labels on it.
No, but I want to get the video out. So Dan's got an app. We're going to use his app to taste our...
No, we're not going to taste our beer with the app. We're going to review our beer with the app.
Did we put too many hops in? this beer, I've had a bit of a worry.
I think it was 5 times the amount of hops that we should have put in.
I don't know.
Might have been the number. So let's see where.
Tell us below, but I think my calculations were way out.
But we will taste and we'll.
Nobody said anything at the time, let's put it that way.
70 grams of sugar. Okay.
So it should be quite a flattish beer.
Yeah, it's a pale ale. So can you get a head like that?
Let's have a look. It's got a lovely red hue, I've got to be honest. The colour of that beer is Get Dan's app up.
And this is from the Brew Day Tools.
Brew Day Toolbox.
And available for Android and iOS, just search Brew Day Tools. And we're going to go on something called the beer scorer. And the beer scorer allows us to actually rate the beer. Ooh, I'm falling in love with this one, guys.
Don't taste it. Don't taste it.
Oh, it's quite hoppy.
Don't taste it.
Why is this hoppy, Phil? So what we're going to try and do is we're going to try and rate the app. And there's certain things that we're going to look for.
I'm going to open the Brew Day Toolbox.
Okay.
I'm going to go to Beer Scorer.
Yep.
And here we are. First of all, we had appearance.
Appearance, which is good. And appearance, we're looking at review the colour, clarity and head.
Let's go for colour. The colour is gorgeous.
Yes, it is.
It's got a lovely red hue to it and it's gorgeous.
It's a pale ale. It's a traditional colour, okay.
Clarity.
That clarity is pretty good, be fair.
I can't see my hand through it.
It's not a lager, is it? But it's dark, isn't it? It's a dark colour. There's no mist and fog in there.
Head. So I'm going to knock a few points off for the head.
But do you want a head on a pale ale?
No, not in the pub. You don't get a head on the pub. But I do. I'm an old-fashioned fella.
You don't get a head in the pub.
I do like.
So we go for aroma.
It depends what pub you go to.
We go for the aroma. Come on.
Oh,
it is nice.
Toffee.
Yeah. But this is just purely a garden hop.
Oh,
This
loads of flavour.
This is a special one, isn't it? This is a special home pale ale.
That's beautiful. Okay, so I'm going really high.
Yeah, I like that one as well. No off flavours there whatsoever. The next one is the taste.
Finish flavour and aftertaste.
Okay, let's go for it. Okay.
Hang on. Okay. Cheers, Dan.
Cheers, mate. Oh, that is different.
That is different.
That is different.
That is lovely.
Yeah, there is a lot of toffee in that, isn't there?
Oh, I could drink that all day long.
Okay.
That's lovely. That's going really high, that is. That's my cup of tea, though. I'm not an IPA person. I'm a bitter.
But this is pale ale, Phil.
I know, but you know, it lends itself more to...
This is traditional British pale ale.
If you went for a pale ale, you got that in the pub.
You wouldn't leave the pub.
What about mouthfeel?
It's not...
Review the carbonation, creaminess and body. Good body, good carbonation.
And there is a bit of a...
Not so much creaminess.
But it's not a creamy beer.
No, I guess I'm going to put it up a little bit.
Okay.
X Factor. I love this beer. This is one of the best we've made.
Okay.
And who's this for? Are we doing this for? Old St Nick. Cheers, Old St Nick.
See, Nick? Caps off.
Can we send him a beer? Can we send him one of these?
We've only got 3. We haven't got many. We kegged it, so there's not much. Sorry, Nick. No offence. Perhaps if you give us a few more comments, we might send you next.
Nick, I'll send you one of mine, fella.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay. Should we compare the scores?
Oh, okay. Right.
Yeah.
What do we press? Oh, it's down at the bottom.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Press. Okay. Okay. Ian Dietary.
81. What you got? 88.
88.
This
is the best beer that we've done.
I've got one question to ask Dan now.
The one best beer we've done now.
Did we add too many hops?
Not for 88. I think we hopped it right, but...
For 2 weeks he's been jibbing me over this.
We used half a hop production.
2 weeks I've been getting grief over this. Yeah.
We used half a hop production just on this one beer. But Phil, it was worth it, mate.